Hello, this is 2006 Toyota RAV4. I'm doing an oil change, but that's not the reason for this video. My shifter light bulb burned out, so I guess I'm gonna do a quick video on how to take it out. This is a very easy job and anybody can do it at home. So basically what you need to do is just take out this panel, which I already did earlier. If you have a tool like this, it's very helpful too, so you won't break your finger trying to get this panel off. So basically just put it on here and just kind of push it up. There are like 4 clips on here. Let me show you. So there are 2 front clips. Make note of the direction of the clip so you won't break it when you try to get it out. So basically the bottom is just kind of like push up, and then the front, this one is kind of down as well, but make sure the last one is actually this one right here. Make sure you pull it towards you if you want to get it off this panel, but just be careful with this. Here's the one panel, and then here's the shifter panel. You can also same thing use this to break it open and get it off. But first you have to do it this side too. This panel is the same as the other one on the left side, but you don't have to completely take this off. You can just pull it up, like this. Oh, see, you pull it up, this whole piece came off. Anyway, and then after that you just pull this piece off, and of course there's a shifter right here. You just basically turn it, and then it'll come right off. After that, you just pull this panel out, make sure that's not in the way. Okay, and pull this out. You flip it over. Before there was this plug, and here's the plug to this plug, and then it was a light bulb right here, which came out from this hole. You just kind of turn it a little bit and just pull right out. Notice they're notches here. There are 2 of them. Same thing with this. I don't know if you can see it, but anyway. And here's the light bulb, if I can find it. Here's the light bulb. I'm hoping that I can find it at the Advanced Auto or AutoZone for replacement. Hopefully I don't have to order from Toyota. Advanced Auto Part does have the light bulbs. Here it is. It's $5.99. It comes with 2. I already put this one in my car, and so it's pretty straightforward. And oh yeah, this clip right here too, it goes in here. It's connected. You don't have to take it out. I just took it out so I don't so I can still drive the car, and put this panel back in when I shift the car, get the parts. So just same thing, just clips. Just use a screwdriver and push this part in, and this side too. It'll pop right out, and then it's pretty straightforward. And same thing for putting this all back together. And this is the video how to remove the shifter light bulb for 2006 Toyota RAV4. Thank you for watching. Bye.